children, welcome to class 8 on basics of news editing. In this class we are going to see emerging trends in newspaper presentation, and we are going to discuss two things in today's class. One is departmentalization of newspaper organization and page design of overall pages, that is planning of pages. So these are the two topics we are going to see in today's class. So emerging trends in newspaper presentation. See, generally the main focus with newspaper design is not on changing trends, but actually on the improvement of readability and reader guidance within the paper. So for this reason, the front page is used as display for the entire product. And new sections are, given larger section heads, and some papers have even introduced color guide systems to introduce the readers effectively into topics of various interest. And it is not the quantity that counts nowadays. It's very important. So it is not quantity that counts nowadays, but the quality. Like few large and well cut photos per page will attract readers. So not the quantity counts, but only quality. And it has been proved, for example, that framed in articles these days do not attract the reader's attention. So that some newspapers now they do without frames. So framed in articles do not attract the readers anymore. So newspapers do without frames now. So every newspaper they try to create the distinctive appearance by means of typography. That is in the area of headlines. Therefore, there is a great typographical versatility. So the front page serves as the newspaper's display. Important topics appear in teasers, and color guide systems help the readers find their way through the paper. Already we have discussed this front page front page of a newspaper. So see, it is the front page is actually the window to the newspaper. So a lot of importance is given to designing this particular page. And the other important pages, as you all know, are the editorial page, business page, and the sports page. So the other pages or business pages or the pages for local news, pages for regional news or national, international, all these are the different pages. So with the increased emphasis on entertainment, there are leisure and entertainment pages also these days included in newspaper. And there are the special pages that come daily or weekly or fortnightly. And the new trends. So to see the new trends, in the past, front page makeup practice was very traditional. It was old-fashioned and looked artificial and unattractive. So modern front page makeup is highly functional. It is well designed, attractive, and very flexible. So the front page is the showcase of a newspaper. Thus, it should not be easy to read, attractive, and it should be easy to read, attractive, and inviting. And it should be orderly and have a distinctive personality of its own. See, coming to the next topic, you must know the newsroom setup. See, the newsroom organization is also very important. If you have taken the time to see how a newspaper reproduces itself, every 24 hours, you will find it fascinating. Many different individuals and departments contribute to the process of this newspaper. See, among these streams are 5 with daily importance to a newspaper's readers. They are, first thing is news, editorial, advertising, production, and distribution. And coming to the first point, beats. See, some reporters are assigned to beats. So beats are an area of coverage such as the courts, city hall, education, business, medicine, and so forth. Others are called general assignment reporters, which mean they are on call for a variety of stories such as accidents, civic events, and human interest stories. So that is beats. Next comes this executive editor. See, all reporters are, ultimately responsible to an editor, and depending on its size, a newspaper may have a numerous editors, beginning with an executive editor. Okay, so executive editor is the first one. He is responsible for the news division. So, what is the responsibility of an executive editor? He is responsible for the news division. That is, immediately below the executive editor is the managing editor. And this person, he is the one who oversees the day-to-day work of the news division. And other editors, as you all know, there are sports editors, there are photo editors, state editors, national feature editors, obituary editors. They also report to the managing editor. But the best known and in some ways the most crucial editors is the city or metro editor. So the city or metro editors, they'll be assigned stories, enforces deadlines, and is the first to see reporters' raw copy on the computer network. These editors, that is city editors or metro editors, are called gatekeepers. Okay, city editors are called gatekeepers. City or metro editors are called gatekeepers because they control much of what will and what will not appear in the next day's newspaper. Next is copy editors. So copy editors check for spelling and other errors of usage. They may also look for holes in the story that would confuse readers or leave their questions unanswered. And if necessary, copy editors may check facts in the newspaper's library, which maintains a large collection of reference books, microfilm, film, or online copies of stories that have appeared in the newspaper. So let us move on to the next topic, overall page design. Having closely examined some of the major components of the front page of a newspaper, let us now take a look at the architecture of the page or the overall page design. See, for this we have to look at the page from some distance, so it is very important. See, one way it is to do a comparative study of two or more newspapers. So now you are going to do this. Okay, what you are going to do is take two newspapers, hang two or more newspapers of the same date on the wall. Okay, you can take today's papers, you hang the papers on the wall and stand at a distance to take a critical look at these. Okay, now look at the page. As if you were trying to study a painting or or a sculpture, you will notice that there is a design in the page, there is a form, and you will notice a structure. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to hang today's newspaper on the wall and stand at a distance, and you have to critically look at those two newspapers. Understand? You will notice that there is a design in each page and there is a form in each page and also a structure. So each page designer has own concept of beauty and page structure. This you will be able to understand only when you have a critical look. Planning of pages. See, inside pages of a daily newspaper differ from the front page in their format, structure and presentation of contents. If you open a daily newspaper, you will see that on top of the page there may be indications about the topics covered on the page, like international news, national news, state news, sports news, etc. Even if there is no indication at the top, you can notice the news items on that page have a common link. Okay, so it helps the readers in their search for a news item. Also, by grouping news items on specific pages, we are able to give the newspaper a structure. So the inside pages under one group often, tend to cover as many news items as possible. Hence, often these pages may seem, cluttered. And coming to this inside page of the newspaper, inside pages almost always have advertisements. You know that. Okay. Because ads bring revenue, they are given priority above the news here. And the inside pages cover a variety of content, and the editorial content decides the design pattern within the available space. The structural position of advertisements also needs to be considered for bringing out a harmonious blend between the advertising and editorial content. See, the remaining space or the news holes is left for the editorial matter. As the number and total space taken by advertisements each day are different, makeup personnel have to deal with different amounts of space every day. So actually this makes the job of a page makeup artist very difficult, because every day he has to change according to the advertisements. He has to adjust the page or the space according to the advertisements. Most other inside pages will have sizable chunks already reserved for the day's advertisements. So therefore the scope for editors to attempt attractive layout is actually limited, because as I said, already space will be allotted for advertisements. So usually stories with suitable lengths belonging to the category made for the particular page, that is like local news, foreign news and so on, are selected and placed to fill in the news hole left after the ads. This is what we call dummy. So dummy will be prepared before. Special pages like commerce, agriculture, science, arts, lifestyle pages and women's pages, all these may have more space and or laid out better. So the trend now is to curtail each copy to no more than 500 to 800 words, and also to use plenty of pictures like pictures with infographics, lift of quotes or highlights and white space. So this is also important. Even you see this this page, so the blank, the dark space here, this is also very important, which increases readability. And in next class we will see designs, that is traditional designs, modern designs, design systems. Okay, in next class we will study design systems, traditional and modern. Thank you.